Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I prepared for you a fun mirror DIY. Stay tuned. A while ago, I was browsing to find a boho / macrame style mirror and found tons of beautiful mirrors. Seriously, tons of them, but well, they weren't in my budget. I really don't like to waste a good mirror that I already have, so I decided to gain as many inspirations as possible and try to upcycle my old round mirror that I bought some time ago at IKEA. I will list everything that I used in the description box below. I wasn't sure how much cord I will need, so decided to buy 100 meters, which was a lot. Seriously, it could be used as a doorstop. I've also upcycled a metal hoop that I've used when I was making a red, and my children's hula hoop that I've spray painted white. I started by gluing the cord to the hula hoop using a hot glue gun. After cutting out the excess of the cord, I made sure to glue every single piece of the shredding rope, otherwise I will end up with one big mess, and I really didn't want that. And now the most boring and time-consuming part of this project, wrapping your hula hoop with a rope. I wasn't sure how many meters I would need, that's why I used the whole 100 meters ball to do that. I tried to wrap it tightly and use a drop of glue from time to time. A very good idea is to spray paint the hula with a similar color to your cord. To survive this project, let's grab some coffee. I don't know about you, but the smell of freshly brewed coffee in the morning is so irresistible. And trust me, when the caffeine hits you, you will be the perfect person for this job. Let's skip this boring step. The second hoop is from the red that I made a while ago. I made sure that the spaces between two hoops are equal. This is very crucial, otherwise everything won't be in the center. And then I use simple painter's tape to secure everything in one place. Make sure you don't glue it too tight, like I did, as you will have problems with lifting them during the next step. I've secured the end of a rope with a little piece of painter's tape to prevent them from untangling. Then made a knot and cover it with the glue. The glue needs to be everywhere. It has to be like a lava spreading all over. Take your rope and slide it under the bigger hoop and fold. Secure it with glue to the smaller hoop and make a knot. Try to make your string very tight and don't forget about the lava glue. Cut the excess rope and wrap it with the painter's tape. Do it all the way around. When I finished, I've started overlapping the strings. I simply made a knot roughly in the middle of the previous section. After that, I did everything exactly the same as in previous step and finished with making a knot in the middle of the next section. I hope that makes sense. After finishing with the knot, you can be proud of yourself, as it's nearly the end. Release your hoops from the surface. Ta-da! Everything is holding together! Place the hoops on the mirror and make sure that the smaller hoop is at equal distance from the edge of the mirror. To stick the hoops to a mirror, I've used a Velcro stick-on tapes. My mirror will be anchored to the wall with special brackets provided by IKEA. The Velcro is just for attaching the hoops to the mirror, not to attach everything to the wall. I simply stick the Velcro on the mirror in many places. The more places you will use Velcro, that's better for you. That's the moment of truth. Kaboom! Good job! If you like it, you know what to do. See you soon!